What's going on, guys? Eric with TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're going to actually be doing the headlights on Big Chev. So as you can see, they definitely weathered. They have water in them and they just don't look good overall. We're also going to be doing the fog lamps too, which are completely busted out, at least by the lenses. So we're going to do them as well. We're going to do a full front headlight change out. We're not going to be doing anything fancy. We're actually just going to keep it stock. We're going to get new lenses in there along with new bulbs and make this look fresh again in the front. So yeah, I'll show you what we got. So I have them all laid out here. We have fog lamps, we have marker lamps, blinker, whatever housings, turn signal lamp housings, marker, whatever. Got those. All, like I said, we got fog lamps too, all fresh, and we have a fresh set of headlights as well. So we're gonna get these put in, and we're gonna start by popping the hood. All right, so now that we got the hood popped, I'm going to do the driver's side first. First things first is they got these pins here, these little rods. You flip them out. Now you just put them off to the side, and then this should just come right out, which is super easy. You might get caught in this corner here, but so them are out. Next step is we're going to disconnect the harness from the bulbs. So just disconnecting the wire harness from the bulbs. And there we go. That's out of the way. I'm going to grab a screwdriver and we're going to actually go down to the marker lamp and get that out next. Alrighty, so now we're going to kind of go down here. Right here there's a tab. We're going to try to push that tab out. There we go. And it should just come up and out. So now I'm gonna undo the bulb. Hit you guys. Alrighty. So now we got this lamp out. And what it is, guys, is this little tab right here. You push that in, it comes out, and then there's another tab right here, and it just slides right out. So easy enough. As you guys can see, I got one bulb that's pretty bad right here. We're gonna change that out. I'm actually gonna switch to amber on all of these bulbs, just because I like the look. So switch that out. Switch this one out while we're in here. It's always good to change your bulbs when you're changing lights or changing housings. And I'm gonna change this one actually to amber too. So you always want to make sure your bulbs are working before you install the new lamp. Alrighty, so we got our new lens here. First we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the bulbs, twist them back in there. There we go. So all the bulbs are in. Alright, so now we're going to, there we go, and it just snaps right in. So now we're secure. All right, so we got one side in. We got to get, or that one marker lamp in. Now we got to get the headlamp in. We got our new headlamp. We're gonna first plug in the bulbs. Okay, so those are plugged in. So now we're just gonna set it in. Okay, so we got that there. There we go. There we go. There's the last one. So headlights are in. Let's take a look. That looks great. Probably gonna have to adjust them a little bit. There's a big gap. Down here, but I think they can they can twist and turn. We're gonna probably have to adjust it a lot, but they're in. So let's move on to this fog lamp on this side. So I tried getting at the bolts at the top. I can't get them, so I'm just breaking it off. So I just broke it off. It's I couldn't get a wrench in there. I couldn't even see. I couldn't do nothing. The bolts are rusted up, so that's what I had to do. I don't know if I can show you or not, but right, see where those two things are right there and right there? That's where the bolts are. That's why I ripped this thing out, so I could actually get to them. But I'll check in with you when we start going back in. It's pretty tough. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I just broke that one off just to get to the bolts. So, all right, bolts are out. Like I said, I had to break that thing. We're gonna put the new one in. Try not to break this one. Well, I'm gonna struggle for a little bit more, but yeah, just tighten the top two bolts up and then. All right, so they're in. They're not the tightest things, but we're going to make sure they work. And then we'll probably adjust them along with every other headlight. All right. Let's get this shut. Alrighty, so there we go. Alright, let's see if they work. Make sure before we go any farther. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, much better. We gotta aim that one, but alright, let me try that fog lamp. So don't think. Oh, lit right up. All right, there we go. Actually, that other one's working too, but it doesn't have a lens on it. I'm surprised that even works. So yeah, that works too. Awesome. By the way, it took me about 35 minutes and I thought someone was here, so I walked to the door. There's a couple other things I walked to, tools and stuff, but I mean, this should take you, I mean, if you're on it, under an hour. Looks like they're all over the place. So we gotta get those angled in. So we're gonna start with this one, or not. Start with this one. Getting this last one adjusted. I think we're okay right there. So got that. Let's try the high beams. Holy crap, those are high. Might need to go down a little bit, but we'll just leave it right there for now. So yeah, we'll run with that. I'm gonna go outside and take a look at it too. So let's go outside. Alrighty. So got them on. Looks good. It's kind of dark out, but fog lamps are on. So that's gonna be it for this video. If it helped you, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We still got a lot more to do to this truck, so stay tuned. We're doing quite a bit with it, but these headlights, these lights look good. I like them. So it was a little bit of a pain in the butt to adjust them. I finally got them, but I didn't want to show you guys that. It was just me kind of fiddling with everything and trying to figure out what up, down, left, right was. But yeah, they look good. I like it. Looks damn good. So alrighty guys, thanks for watching guys. Definitely subscribe to the channel like I said, and you guys have a good day or night or whatever you're having. Thanks guys, bye.